In this video, I will show you how to play Sword X Staff on PC. So make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial to learn how to get this on your PC, even though it's an Android game, and play it on a bigger screen using your keyboard and mouse or even a gamepad for a more immersive experience. Even though Sword X Staff is an Android game, you can actually play this on PC or even your Mac using something called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an Android app emulator which allows you to play Android games on your PC or Mac. To get started, if you come below this video, in the video description there's going to be a link to click, and when you click that link it's going to take you across to a website like this. Now from here you're going to see the blue download button, give that a click and that's going to download BlueStacks onto your PC, and once that's downloaded what you can do is click to open this and then just run through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. Here we are back at my desktop. As you can see, BlueStacks has now finished installing, so what you can now do is launch this, so you can click launch. And what that's going to do is open this on your PC, and if you did click the link, it's going to take you directly to the download page and the install page for Sword X Staff. So from here, you're going to see a button to install from Google Play. Give that a click. And what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Now you can see from here we've got the blue install button. Give that a click and that's going to start downloading and installing Sword X Staff so you can play it on your PC or laptop. Now just while it's installing, I just want to run through some things about BlueStacks, why I personally use it and why I would recommend it to play Android games on your PC or Mac. So there's a number of really cool reasons and features to start using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC. Of course, the first thing I want to start talking about is the game controls. Now, playing on a PC or Mac is going to give you the chance to play on a bigger screen, as well as using a keyboard and mouse, and there's even gamepad support for a lot of games as well. So this does make the gaming experience a lot more immersive, and if like myself you don't like using touchscreen, then this is one great reason to start using BlueStacks. Another really cool feature about BlueStacks is the built-in macros feature, which allows you to record and replay actions with just a single key press. So you can see in this kind of example here that there's a game being played which says drag a farm into Grandma's Glade. Now tasks like this can get very repetitive and boring, but with BlueStacks you can actually assign this task to a single key press on your keyboard, which is just going to make it a lot more faster to get through certain tasks, and is another great reason to start using BlueStacks. One thing that I really love about BlueStacks is the built-in real-time translation feature. What this allows you to do is play any Android game in your local language, as BlueStacks is going to automatically translate the game into your local language. So if there are games that have come out in other countries but they've not been released in your country, but you've been wanting to play that but you can't due to language barrier reasons, well, with BlueStacks it's absolutely now possible to play any Android game in your local language. Naturally as well, BlueStacks is going to give you a much higher FPS frame rate, which is going to lead to smoother gameplay as you are playing on a PC or laptop rather than a mobile device. And of course you can play all your favourite Android games in full HD. So that's a couple of reasons why I personally love BlueStacks and why I would recommend it to play Android games on your PC or Mac. But as you can see, there are a ton of really cool features about BlueStacks, and that is why I would recommend it to play Android games on your PC or Mac. Now, coming back to BlueStacks, you can see that Sword X Staff has now finished installing and the game has launched automatically. So at this point, it's going to want to access your Google account. This is, of course, really cool because when you sign in with your Google account and you stop playing on PC, say you wanted to play on mobile, you're not going to lose any of your progress. So you just want to sign in with your account, click continue, and then agree to the Bolt Trade Games user agreement and privacy agreement. Now, once that's done, as you can see, it's going to load up, and I just want to show you how this game plays as well, just so you can get a feel of how smooth the gameplay is by using BlueStacks. Now, just while this is loading through, if you come to the right hand side, you can see we got this cool little toolbar here where you can do things like full screen. You can also see the game controls by clicking the keyboard icon here and clicking onto on-screen controls, which is going to give you the control layout on screen so you know what keys to press to control and play the game. So what I'm going to do is just click onto tap to play. As you can see, I'm using my mouse to actually control this. And as you can see, here we are in game. You can see straight away that the animations are really smooth. There's no kind of lag or anything like that as well. And it's just a really cool way to play Android games on PC. So of course, I'm just using my mouse now to control the game. But as mentioned, there is gamepad support for a number of games as well. So that is how to play Sword X Staff on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.